Welcome traders to freetradingvideos.com. This is a trade I took in SIRI, S-I-R-I, and I was watching this intraday as it was shaping up, and the next day it had gapped up, and as it cleared the 200 MA, I decided to buy long into this trade, even though there's some pretty good overhead resistance here, right on this stock, and also back in here. Alright, so I'm watching those things carefully. I am filled on the trade though, and I like it the way it closed. Very high volume, good breakout, closed right near its high as well. No upper shadow, meaning that the people who own it don't want to sell it toward the end of the day even. Even the people who are day trading don't want out of it. The stock then did a very nice job. Good gap up, ran right up into this resistance area, let some of these people out of pain, right? So a bit of a sell-off. The stock chewed through that, worked its way out, and then gapped up. This is a big news event. A very popular shock jockey who you might be aware of decided to sign on with them at this time, and I took half of my shares off the table right here, right at the open. So very good. I'm way in the money. I'm now chasing this with a good protective stop, and I'm waiting for this stock to put in a nice swing low here, but to make it much higher. So I need a higher swing low to keep that uptrend intact. So I do have that nice rounding pattern here. Stock then spins its wheels for quite some time. This was a good bit of overhead resistance through here now. People were actually buying that stock up here thinking it was just going to go up. They're now upside down in that trade. They're going to need to get out when it comes back to them. Alright, so it chews along here for a while and finally breaks out. Increasing volume as the people on the short side now buy to cover. New buyers jump in. I didn't catch that trade and add to it, but I still have half of my position, and I rode this stock all the way up. There's a huge percent gain for this stock, and then I got stopped out on that day, right at the open. So very, very good. I had preserved those profits very nicely on the other half of my trade, and I would do that over and over again if I could. So let's see where the stock went just for fun. Nice unfilled gap, big resistance. And the stock sort of just chops around and heads south. So very good. I'll take that anytime the market will deliver it to me. Alright everybody, well thank you for attending freetradingvideos.com, where trading education equals trading profits.